Hi there! In this video, we will show you how to apply skins to your Nothing 45-watt charger. For the installation, you will need a hairdryer, so pause the video and grab one now. Let's start applying the top skin. Clean the surface, free of dust and fingerprints using the microfiber cloth. Gently remove the skin from the 3M sheet and reattach as shown. Aligning with the Type-C port and edges is the right method. If you notice any errors in alignment, gently remove the skin without stretching it, reheat and retry. Once aligned, remove the 3M sheet and apply pressure evenly to secure the skin in place. To ensure the skin is stuck down in place, heat the skin and gently rub using the microfiber cloth. Now, let's apply the bottom skin. Clean the surface, free of dust and fingerprints using the microfiber cloth. Gently remove the skin from the 3M sheet and reattach as shown. Align the skin with the charging plug and edges of the charger. Once aligned, remove the 3M sheet and apply pressure evenly to secure the skin in place. To ensure there are no sharp edges, heat the skin and gently rub all edges using the microfiber cloth. Now let's apply the body skin. Clean the surface, free of dust and fingerprints using the microfiber cloth. Gently remove the skin from the 3M sheet and reattach as shown. Align it with the edges on both sides of the charger's body. Start aligning the skin in place. Once aligned properly, rub with your fingers as shown. Then, heat the skin and rub with the microfiber cloth to secure the skin in place. This is how it should look if done correctly. Remove the 3M sheet and reattach it as shown. Apply the skin gradually, wrapping it around the body. Gently rub with your fingers to secure the skin. Then heat it and use a microfiber cloth to press it firmly into place. Remove the 3M sheet and keep wrapping the skin bit by bit till the end of the skin. Rub with your fingers to secure the skin in place. Heat the end of the skin and apply pressure to secure it in place. If you notice any gap between the two ends of the skin, gently peel it, reheat, and reapply. You have done it right when there is no gap in between the two ends of the skin. Rub with your fingers gently, then heat the skin and rub using the microfiber cloth to secure the skin in place. Finally, heat all the sides and edges with the hairdryer and gently rub using the microfiber cloth to make sure the skin is stuck down firmly. Once applied perfectly, your Nothing 45-watt charger should look like this. For more exciting skins and protective options for your devices, visit our website. GadgetShieldz, the trusted name in device protection.